So if you guys are wondering what this shit is doing to the NPC normies that live down here, check this shit out.
Fucking stuff! Get out of my fucking city!
And the thing is,
Get out of my fucking city! Hey, fuck you!
there's a lot.
What fucking freedom have you lost? What freedom have you lost? Tell me a freedom you've lost. I lost my mind because I haven't slept in 5 fucking days.
I fucking hear it. And it's not even a horn. I love it's just the diesel engine running.
It's enough to drive a fucking person crazy.
It is. It is. And I'm fucking
Yeah.
but I want it to stop.
Hey, Chris,
I want it to stop.
it has to fucking stop.
Then it stops when the government lifts the mandates.
You fucking idiot! The mandates are provincial, not federal! The mandates, if you're mad about wearing a mask or getting a fucking vaccine, go talk to Doug Ford!
Okay, well, you know what?
The fucking Prime Minister has nothing to do with this!
Actually, he does.
Do you know anything about civics?
Yes, actually I do, because didn't the federal government make vaccine mandates for all federal employees? And all federal...
It's a requirement for your fucking job!
Yeah, exactly. That's part of the mandates, man.
Karen! Did they get a vaccine? Karen! Well, that's a choice!
It's not a choice, you
They lost their job.
The honking will continue until freedom improves. Simple as that. Simple as that.
Fuck you!
Fuck me? Fuck you.
Fuck you!
Join us.
don't said we have no right in the country.
I do want to listen. But I've lost my fucking patience.
This is world peace, guys. We can do it.
This is too much.
The honking will continue until freedom improves. I got that footage myself, and that's what your donos are going to, guys. Keeping me here so I can bring you that content. You love to see it.